You will be surprised by hearing which I am going to say now. A giant spacecraft which is 12,000 kilograms weight, which is about the size of a large school bus, is switched off due to the onboard hardware installation. Hello friends, I welcome back again with a super topic. Before going into the video, please subscribe the channel. A telescope is needed to watch all the spectacular things in the sky, like formation of stars, objects in solar system, dark energy and dark matters, black holes, and keeping an eye on planets and many more. A series of 8 orbiting solar observatories have been launched successfully by NASA in between 1962 to 1975 with limitations. But in 1990, Hubble Space Telescope was launched into low Earth orbit. Let us study the structure of the Hubble telescope. Hubble is named after astronomer Edwin Hubble. The Space Telescope Science Institute selects the target and processes the data, and Goddard Space Flight Center controls the spacecraft. Hubble Space Telescope requires a huge amount of electrical power for functioning different instruments and to do a lot of mechanisms. Hubble has 2 solar arrays, which produces approximately 5,000 watts, which are stored in 6 nickel-hydrogen batteries. Gallium arsenide solar cells are used in these arrays. Generated power is controlled by the power control unit. In 2002, while replacing the control unit, the entire spacecraft has been turned off, which is unusual. Batteries are designed to be replaced by astronauts. Second set of batteries are running now, which are replaced in 2009. Batteries are contained in 2 modules which hold 3 batteries. In support systems where supercomputers, batteries, gyroscopes, reaction wheels and electronics are present in the support systems. The next instrument in the Hubble Space Telescope is Wide Field Camera 3. It is configured as a 2-channel instrument, which is an ultraviolet visible channel and near-infrared channel. A large format charge-coupled device is present in ultraviolet visible channel, whereas in near-infrared channel, crystalline photosensitive surface of mercury, cadmium and tellurium is present. Next instrument in the Hubble Space Telescope is an advanced camera for surveys, which is installed in 2002. This is used for surveying large areas of the sky. It can survey the deepest into the space by coronagraphic capability, which can block the light from a bright source. It can capture the faint object near the bright source. NICMOS is another camera and spectrometer, which can capture near-infrared wavelength. It is inactive due to the cryocooler anomaly. Another powerful instrument, installed in the Hubble Space Telescope, is Cosmic Origin Spectrograph. It studies how galaxies, stars, and planets are formed and how they are evolved. This spectrography studies the characteristics of the object like temperature, density, chemical composition and velocity. Another instrument in the Hubble Space Telescope is Space Telescope Imaging Spectrograph. This spectrograph divides light into component colors. Not only this, it can also produce the spectrum of spatially extended objects. Our next instrument in Hubble Space Telescope is Fine Guidance Sensors. These sensors are responsible for guiding the spacecraft to locate the guide star. Hubble Space Telescope has 3 fine guidance sensors. 2 of the 3 sensors are required to point the astronomical targets. These sensors detect, even if the telescope drifts minuscule amounts. This gives Hubble to remain pointed at the target. Hubble uses 2 mirrors, which helps in collecting and focusing the light. Primary mirror is a bowl-shaped concave mirror, while the secondary mirror is a dome-shaped convex mirror. Primary mirror is 7.9 feet, while the secondary mirror is only 12 inches. As the size of the primary mirror, It can collect 40,000 times more than the human eye. Both mirrors are coated with layers of aluminium and magnesium fluoride. Hubble Space Telescope aperture door is 10 feet in diameter. It covers the opening to the telescope light shield. Aperture door automatically closes when the sun is 20 degrees of +6. The Hubble Space Telescope uses two types of antennas to send and receive signals: high-gain antennas and low-gain antennas. Hubble receives signals through low-gain antennas and passes to the onboard computer. High-gain antennas are parabolic in shape, which can transmit high amounts of data. Hubble transmit 4 different types of data, like real-time science, real-time engineering, recorded science and recorded engineering. Not only these instruments, but there are a lot of instruments like data management systems, crew assistant aids which are used in repairs, upgrades and many more.